Hello everybody, my name is Danny. This is SpendLessStore.com's YouTube channel, Spend Less Tools. In today's video, we are going to go over this Milwaukee M18 drill driver and impact kit. And simultaneously, we're also going to talk about how a drill driver and an impact are typically used and why they're often sold together. And so that being said, we're going to get right into it. I'm going to start off by going over the drill driver. Oh, by the way, everybody, this exact kit that I'm using in this video is going to be given away to a subscriber come the end of April. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That being said, so drill driver to start, guys, has two speeds, 1 and a 2. Also has a forward and a backward. And then it's going to have torque settings on the top as well that are going to make this clutch slip easier or not slip at all for you. And then we're going to take that guy off. Then we have this impact driver. It's real straightforward. It has a forward and a backwards. It has this little collar to hold bits. So these impacts with this quick connect collar only take these little quick connect hex bits, as you see here. And so you'll pull that out, put it in and let it go, and it's going to grip. And so that's the two tools real quick. So that being said, I'm going to get into the reason a lot of people sell, why they sell these together and how a lot of people use them. So a lot of people will use a drill driver to just run a bit to pre-drill holes a lot of the time. The big difference in these is a drill driver is just going to run and drill and drill and drill. And if anything, the clutch can slip because you can turn the torque settings down. But otherwise, it just drills. So it's not going to have that like clicking, stopping. Whereas an impact driver has a mechanism inside that is going to force a twist by impact. So there's a little piece that's going to hammer it and it's going to force it to spin, and then it's going to stop and re-hammer and re-hammer. Usually this is used to set screws because it starts to stop and you can kind of get them good and level that way. Whereas this is used to just drill and run holes in advance. And so I'm going to kind of do a quick demo. We're going to drill some holes and then we're going to put a screw in as well so you can see that. So there you go, guys. This is really great for drilling holes. And then once you have your hole drilled, you can use this guy, the impact, to run your screw like we said. And when you pre-drill the hole, the screw is going to be A, guided, B, a lot of the material's already bored out, so it's going to get in there easier, and C, it's not going to split your wood. So it's pretty important to pre-drill holes. Once you have that hole pre-drilled, you can just put this in, and again at the end you're going to hear that click, which is that impact engaging. So I'm going to go ahead and run this in and show you that. And there it is, and you can hear it. And also you can throttle the trigger on these guys as well, which is pretty helpful in terms of not overrunning stuff or just being able to run screws. And you can use these in just one of them in the other one's place, but it's not going to work anywhere near as well. And the more you do it, the more you're going to start to realize that they do both have their own place in doing stuff. So if anybody has any other questions, please let us know in the comments below. We super appreciate you guys watching. Again, this exact kit right here is going to be our April giveaway, since you guys know we give a tool away every month. So don't forget to hit that sub button. Give us video ideas, guys. We're trying to get more long form videos out, so let us know what you think sounds good. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Take care, guys.